Good morning and welcome to Training Tuesday, Tip Tuesday, and I forgot to say good afternoon to all of those that do not live where we live. Today we're going to be very quick. We have received a lot of feedback last week that we had a lot of clients wanting to know how to send videos straight from your account out to all of your contacts. And yes, this is something you can do. And I love doing this right before a holiday or a big promotion. And we here at Skipio completely promote individualized and personalized communication. And come on, is there anything more personal than recording you talking to all of your contacts? And it's especially impactful at a holiday time.
Yeah.
And I know this week we have one. Maybe I won't mention it, so this can be evergreen content, but we do have a holiday this week that you could use this campaign for. So Jared's going to go ahead and show you how to do this in your Skipio account.
What's going on, you guys? So we're going to be talking about how to send a video from the web app and then also sending a video through the mobile app.
We know a lot of you use your mobile app, so we want to make sure that you're able to use this function there as well.
Yep, so let's go ahead and jump right into our web app here. We'll start with the web app. We'll move to the mobile app. What's great about both the web app and the mobile app, sending videos, sending pictures, audio clips, all of that is managed from the same place. And so if you know how to do one, you know how to do them all. And so we'll start when you're composing a message from the brand new message composer. We hope that you're still enjoying it. We love it. You're going to choose your contacts. I'll go ahead and choose my wife here and confirm. And then all you got to do is actually click this little guy right here, images and video. It's going to open up this modal, this pop-up, and you have lots of options of things that you can pull into your messages. You can pull pictures. You can take a picture. You can put in a link. You can also just paste links into the message. But we're going to focus today on recording video. So when you click this record video option, if you haven't accepted the permissions on Chrome to allow Skipio to access your microphone and your camera, you'll need to do that.
Make sure you do that.
But we've already done that, and so it's just going to show us right here. And so we'll record us talking. Hey, everybody.
Happy Tuesday. It's a holiday. We wish you the best holiday season.
I'll hit stop, and it's going to load up for a second, and then I'll click upload. Okay, it's going to automatically put that attachment in my message. Okay, so now I can actually put my message in here. Just recorded you a video. Thanks for being awesome. Sorry, I'm trying to type like sideways.
Love your spelling, Jared. You're keeping it real. They know it's not a bot.
Okay, and then I'll send this, and it will, sure enough, there we go. It gets dropped through. What we see here in the message center is the actual video itself. They're going to get a link for the video. They'll click it, and it will just pop up and play for them. Okay, 6-second video, nice and easy. We've sent a video. If you are already in this view and you don't want to just compose a brand new message, you do the same thing by clicking on the paperclip down here in the bottom right, and it will give you the exact same, or it's supposed to give you the, let me refresh this page. It will give you the exact same modal for adding your pictures, images, voice recordings, even Instagram posts if you want.
Yeah, so take a good look at all of these options that you have. If you have questions and you want us to do a training on anything you see, leave a comment, and I promise we will get to it. There's more.
Yep, there's more. So we are going to now do something we've never done before, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on the mobile app as well. We've never included mobile in our Tuesday trainings, and so today's our first time, so if it doesn't work, I'm sorry, but it'll work. So let's go ahead. We'll stop the share here. We'll start sharing on mobile. And if you haven't downloaded the mobile app, please do so. It's fantastic. So we will jump to, show off my family there for a minute, and grab Skipio. Okay, so I'm in my Skipio account. Okay, so for those of you, again, if you haven't downloaded the mobile app, please go and do it on the Google Play Store, on the Apple App Store. It's fantastic. I'm in my address book here. Let me go ahead and go to messages, and I'll compose a new message. We'll do the same thing. What's great about the mobile app, I'm sorry, this is not a video related. If you don't have someone saved in Skipio yet, in the mobile, you can actually add them while you're sending them a message. And so if I wanted to add a brand new contact, I just hit right there and I can put in that brand new contact. Even your cell phone doesn't allow you to do that. If you want to message someone, you have to write their phone number, then send the message.
Actually, pretty phenomenal.
Yep. And so I'm not going to be sending a brand new. Sorry, we got someone who wants to jump on our Facebook Live right now.
Gotta make sure that we get that right now. We're watching at all times.
Okay, you see the message that we just sent. If I want to then send a new message with a video, and I'm going to record it from my cell phone. We know a lot of you have your cell phones with you all the time. You're out and about doing things. You're going to go ahead and click this, the plus sign with the circle on the left-hand side. It's going to give you these options: open camera, open photos, open message library, or insert your contact fields. Okay, and we could probably do a whole training just on mobile. We'll talk about some of these things at a different time. But if you want to record a video, you're going to go ahead and click open camera. It's going to open up the camera. Here's Bianca and I. Hey guys, look, we're just recording. And we're going to choose our video option. It's going to think here for a second. And I think it's going to think here for a second.
There we go.
And it's trying. Sorry, it's doing a lot right now because I'm doing this live. Here, we'll try this one more time. We'll go back. We're going to hit the add button, open camera, before I switch over to the other camera this time. It probably doesn't like the fact that we are doing this all at once. You'll click the record button, I think.
Stay tuned for Stacey's
Yes, okay, one sec. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to pause the share and we'll record it one more time. The share is giving us some issues here. So I've clicked on the button. I'm going to click open camera and I'm going to record our video. There we go, that works. We go back to here. We'll start our share again. Aren't these live trainings just so?
You just never know what you're going to get.
All right, it will load up in your message thread just like this. And once it's all loaded up, you'll be able to put your message in. I'm glad that this has autocorrect.
Unlike your.
Yep, unlike the web. So then I can schedule this message for any time in the future, or I can send it right away.
I love that aspect in of itself, that if you want to contact everybody this Friday because it's a holiday, you can go ahead and record that today when you have time and you can think about it, set it for Friday morning, and then send it off to all of your contacts. It's very powerful.
Yep. And so again, we've talked about 3 ways to share videos, recording yourselves. The last one I actually want to do is how to share a YouTube video. We know a lot of you have content all over the internet, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Facebook, maybe you've got it on Instagram. But how do you take that content and share it in your messages? And so we've got this sweet Facebook page. Feel free to, or excuse me, this YouTube channel. I got my Facebook page here. This YouTube channel. Feel free to check us out on YouTube. We've got lots of cool videos there. And so if I wanted to take, I'm going to say last week we talked about ringless voicemail.
Right, let's do that one.
Okay, I'm going to click on that video.
Hot topic.
It was a very hot topic. If I wanted to share this with anybody, I can just grab this link either from up here in the URL, or I can grab it from down here. There's a share option. And then if you want to share it at a specific point, for example, hey, this is kind of a long video. It's 16 minutes. We only want to share, that place where they are, actually sending the ringless voicemail. Okay, they've recorded it. You can actually, when you click share, you have this option down at the bottom to share at a specific point. And it will amend your link with a specific starting location. So then I'll copy that. And when I come back to Skipio, all you have to do is paste that into your message and send. And sure enough, that will go through.
No, I love that, because instead of sending this 16-minute video, you send the relevant content to your contacts. They
Yep.
don't have to trudge through all of that.
No, they don't.
That's great.
And so it's fantastic because you're sharing not just your text messages, which are great. You're sending video with them. And we know how important video is in today's day and age.
Yeah, so go ahead and send videos to your contacts this week, and leave us comments. Let us know how it went. And I bet you your engagement rate will soar with just a video, and ask them questions in the video, and try the YouTube trick too. And let us know how it goes. And if you have anything you need or want to learn about here on Tip Tuesday, again, leave a comment and we'll make sure we address it.
Guys, thanks so much for joining us. Let's see if we can figure out how to end this thing. We'll see you next week.
Next week.
Have a good one.